him. It was during a child's time. Remember? Yeah, everybody, all the MCAs were under what party? Exactly. Well, we have UDA, we have this, we have that, and there's nothing wrong with that. But at the end of the day, though Ramana, because of political parties will come and go. But then GUSII is here to stay if we fight for it. If we make sure that at the end of the day, we are united as GUSII. And when we're united, there's things that we can accomplish together. So let me encourage you. Let's maintain GUSII for the sake of our children and the next generation. Let us lead with, this is for you leaders. Let us lead with unity, integrity, and humility. And so this economic trade mission that I'm creating, and I had a conversation with the governor, Momanyi, when I was there last time. And we shared a couple of things how we can collaborate, you know? And as I was thinking about this trade mission, I was trying to figure out, how does GUSII region, not just Namira, GUSII region, GUSII. By the way, you know, sometimes we take over GUSII as just Danny Bosaigo. Do you guys truly understand the magnitude of GUSII and the power that lies? You know, sometimes we break it down to the point where we minimize it to be just political. You know, GUSII is not centered on politics. It's centered on brotherly and sisterly love of GUSII. Because if we don't protect our culture, our language, we are slowly losing it. I'm telling you for free. They're kids. We are losing a whole generation of GUSII. I don't know. That's not home. My friends, also here too. Your kids are growing up outside of